English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Basically, crucial, disguise. Basically. Basically is an adverb. B2 learners usually know basically. At B2, basically means simply. Here are some examples. It's basically a scam, so watch out for this cold caller. There are basically 30 players, from whom he will choose 15. Basically, what I want to say is that I need a pay rise. Crucial. Crucial is an adjective. B2 learners usually know crucial. At B2, crucial means really important or necessary. Here are some examples. We are entering a crucial period of time. The next few months will be crucial for our business. In her mind, it is crucial for her to get a first-class degree. Disguise. Disguise is a verb and a noun. B2 learners usually know disguise. At B2, to disguise is to give a different appearance to someone or something. Here are some examples. He disguised himself by growing a beard. She disguised the theft by baffling them with numbers. They like parties where you have to wear some form of disguise. Now write some of your own sentences with basically, crucial and disguise. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.